Go.
Go? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That was close.
That was pretty close. Nice. Alright, welcome back. I am in the Farmeralls today because we're going to be getting on the floor getting dirty. So come on over here, we'll show you what we've got planned. The front of the truck we're going to try to get off today, and watching some other YouTube videos of people that have done this before me, this whole thing should be able to come off in one piece. So like the fenders, the grill, all that. So that's what we're going to try to do first. We're going to get this thing up on jacks and then go from there. And cut!
Juno over there. Kind of.
Almost.
So.
You're just on the edge. You give it
Well, that's how I live.
So you're jacked it under?
Let me lift it just a little bit. And that should fit under that.
It's a funny squeaky sound.
Got it?
There you go.
Perfect teamwork.
Teamwork. Teamwork makes the truck go up. All right?
I don't think that's how they say it.
Where's the other? That's totally how you say it.
Your black one's right here.
It has like a little tiny bald spot. It's pretty amazing that it will spin after sitting all those years though. I'm getting attacked by mom. What was that? I'm okay. I'm okay.
I don't believe you, but okay.
Okay.
Okay, come down. Everybody clear?
Nice.
Are these tires retreads?
I feel like these are 50% off treads.
Okay.
Okay. Time for the back. Where's that broom that we were using? Sorry, the stuff in the bed's in your way, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder what kind of axle this is.
Okay.
What is he for? I got to come over there. And, alright. Will it hold? Shake test. Yeah.
Solid.
The truck is levitating.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Go on the other side. Oh.
Let's tell you there would be a spent 22 shell.
Wait, where?
Right.
Well, we found shotgun shells and...
I got it. Right there. Spent 22 shell.
Oh, yep, there she is.
Wow.
I almost tripped on a
Finally,
chain.
the power steering's working.
Yeah. Alright, give me a... I need a camera.
There you go.
Under here, we've got...
You're supposed to keep track of her.
Another... Under here, we've got... Whoa! Another one to add to our collection. And another one. We got to count up those wasp nests, by the way. We've got to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts out. And then once we get that undone, then there's this the bolt under here. 2 bolts. Let's see. 2 bolts under here. That holds this front cross member assembly. And then, yeah, we'll get that far and let's see if we can lift it up.
It seemed like everything was 13 or 15 on the S10.
Yeah.
And on these, they're either going to be 9/16 or half.
Yeah. All right. Well, cross your fingers.
So those aren't backed at all there.
Whatever's holding it on is on the truck side, luckily.
Okay.
coming right out. Look at that. Should we see, what do I spin? Let's see what I win today.
You actually won a
Yeah,
new
once it's
car.
A new car! Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Whoa, there's actually some color under here. Look at that.
Is it the darker blue?
This looks like the dark blue, black. So that's undone there. Okay, I don't think I'm not gonna be able to get the impact in here. Wrench it by hand. Okay, now Dad, what you can do for me, up here, undo those, there's 2 long rods that go from the,
Yes.
yeah, undo those for me. Oh! That's not good.
Oh, what did you do?
Oh man, I was wrong.
That's not
That
good.
is going to be a 9/16, not a half. Can't believe I pulled the wrong wrench.
Did you? Oh, it busted.
I told you it was either going to be 9/16 or half.
Yeah, he did. Well, that one did not stand a chance.
You broke the ship. You broke the bloody ship.
You broke the bloody ship.
Well, there's what number went on? 4. Let's see if I can get 5 out.
Any water in it?
She's bone dry.
Bone dry. Probably why she's overheating.
Oh, he put his hat on backwards. We're in business.
Cool,
Yeah. Okay.
clear
Pause that for a sec.
water.
Yeah.
Keep a moving, Dan. Don't you listen to him, Dan. He's the devil, not a man. And he's quenched the burning sand with water.
Another fender to go.
I'm glad you soaked these last week
Yes, I did it.
because they're coming off
Good.
really easy.
Please sponsor us.
Wait, where'd the PB Blaster go anyway?
Right
It's
here.
right here.
PB Blaster. I drink it every day. Look how strong I am. Taste it.
Hey,
Love it.
girl. This wheel turned out in better shape.
The other way. Keep it cranking.
Easiest this truck has ever turned.
I believe it. There's no power steering.
Yep.
Are you gonna put power steering?
Oh yeah. The pump's already on the engine. It's going to turn better than it's ever turned. That is impressive.
Yeah.
Look at all those wasp nests.
Anyway.
Oh, grab the gray ones. Oh, come on. Ow. Now it's just like getting your boots on with the strap, yeah. This is all mud dauber right there.
Oh, I remember what a mud dauber is.
I don't know if that's what they're really called, but that's just what I
Call them.
call them.
No, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called.
Gross. Okay. Here's another one.
Those were wasp nests, and they've been taken over by leaf cutters.
Huh.
That's leaf cutter business there.
Jeez Louise.
Too bad these aren't like honey wasps, you know?
Yeah, no kidding.
I think these ones come out the other side. Let's see. Can I get to them from here? Yeah. That's slightly different. This bolt's completely disintegrated. This might be the first bolt we grind. Hold on, I'll tell you. Oh, finally got it. Come on! Pick these up. Gloves. Woo! Man, those were a struggle for 4 bolts. Where'd that go? Thank you. Cool. Let's try this out. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Let her rip. Hang 10. Over there. Oh, now it comes out. Yes. theoretically, that should do it. So, let's see. Oh. I got one over here I forgot about.
So apparently they forgot about something. Don't know what. Yo, cameraman. What's up?
What's up?
I wonder what Alan Jackson's up to today.
I wonder what Steven Tyler's up to today. I don't know. I couldn't think of anybody.
Let's see if I can just break it and twist it. Shoot.
Shoot, dang.
Just bust that. There we go. Okay.
I'm undoing some hoses here, as you can tell. It's a little bit weathered.
It's a lot of grass in
On the
this.
back of my truck.
Stop and tail.
What strap you looking for, Colt?
Like a toe one.
Are you opposed
Clamps like that.
to...
So, I guess we'll just cut the hose.
Yeah. You got one? Okay. What do you think? Oh, we need to get this undone. Just cut this.
I went to great care. I'm doing all mine.
Thousands of people still without power because
Sorry,
So, for when hold on, this is denting the... Hold on. Okay. I had to do some strap up there, right? It was pointing the right way.
come on.
Is it hook?
No. Yes.
Now it's part of the truck. Okay.
It has become one with the truck.
Put that in there. Just kind of wiggle her about. Should just...
Recording of a recording.
Yeah. We hung up on anything?
There's these rods.
Should wiggle. I think we're hitting something. Maybe just, hold on, let me go just add out a little bit.
We go forward a bit.
There we go. Alright, we're good?
Yeah, we're good.
Wasn't that the Doctor Strange meme?
I don't know.
You said it was dry.
I'd take that back. She wasn't bone dry.
Well, I mean, you think it would be
Ooh!
Holy cow.
after.
That's really old water.
Small spill.
Check it out. Look, it's got like a cord in it. Yeah.
That belt's pretty tight too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah. Would you just look at it?
would you look at that?
So
Would you look at this?
maybe
Look at this. Look at that.
Gosh, just look at it.
I just want to grab it and pull it and throw it at the truck.
Intrusive thoughts.
I know.
You can tell.
I found out a new feature of the truck.
because it's not just like grease and stuff. It's
No,
definitely
that's
like an
that's an
undercoating
actually
Yeah.
actual undercoating.
that they
You see
sprayed on
right
it.
here.
Yeah.
That's real close to its original color right there.
Let's see. I thought it was darker.
I think that's pretty close to what it was. We'll have to ask Grandpa.
Well, there's this too.
Yeah.
That would have been.
I was thinking it'd be darker, like
Well, it's hard to remember, but
cobalt blue or
we'll
something.
have to ask Grandpa
Okay.
to tell us pretty close to that color.
Guide me. See the button.
There.
Whoa!
Was that from the mud dog?
The wasp revenge.
They're called mud daubers because they repaired the nest with mud.
How much mud they daubed.
Engine hoist here for now, though.
6.50-16.
Oh, they're 16. Wowzers.
But I'm holding something, so
Even though this turns a little bit, like the
You have to use 2 hands.
That crank is stuck.
Yeah.
I bet you the
Oh,
pistons are probably stuck in there.
this is stuck.
Yeah, that's stuck too. Well, let's tackle the bed and just do the cab last. I feel like this will just be easier to get out. Luckily, the tire's flat, and it allows me to push on the... I do the safety squint. Wow. Let me move that hand. Okay. Like a glove.
That running board right there.
That top one that was over there.
I saw it right there grabbing.
That's what I got, though.
That's clear, isn't it?
Where are you?
Yeah, we're clear over here.
Your Honor, I played Whoopsie Daisy.
You serious, Clark?
Yeah, serious.
Well, I'm thinking with that done right there, it seems like it should lift it.
Welcome to the Jungle starts playing. Megamind pops up in the back.
Colt, we got an original bed mount out.
It was on there pretty good.
Oh, nice.
Got something here. Check these out.
Ooh, baby wrenches. Small baby wrenches. Those are anti-Q.
Right here is a set of feeler gauges or points wrench. A feeler gauge for points.
It looks
What's
like
that?
do you think they've grown or
Insulator.
lost a couple thousand
I think they've grown
with rust?
with rust. Ryan.
Yeah, Saturday. A little dry here, boss. Luckily yours is above the water line.
Yeah, it's always helpful. This only had 1-wheel drive.
Yeah.
It wasn't even a 2-wheel.
Open diff.
Single tire fire.
So I'm going to look for a Ford 8.8 that we can put in this. They should have posi for us. So we're getting it. We're getting it. Sweet.
I got it to free up.
Oh, that's too big.
It's 3/4 is these two up here.
Let's try that. Yeah, let's try the 9/16. The bed was more like complicated than I thought. Yeah. Where is it? Slight rub to the brakes. Heater hoses. Check. And check. So those can come off with us. Oh, geez. Okay, alright.
Kind of funny.
Yeah.
I
Like,
want you to confuse the clutch and the brake pedal.
so what they do?
So one's 9/16 and the other's 5/8.
Oh, gotcha. Got it. Got it. That's not unhooked yet. But it will be. That goes to the voltage regulator. I'm gonna cut that. You got it!
Gonna fight right till the end.
You got it! Oh, so close. There you go. Nice. So is that the brake or the clutch?
That would be the brake.
The brake. Okay. How hard are you done did? So we got oil pressure. We've got, what else do we got? So move away. Temperature.
What's that one?
You know, it's probably for the vacuum wipers.
Could be.
So
Throttle? No.
that's on the pedal. That's for your. So it's got to come like that.
Which should be undone because I undid it in the cab.
Okay. We got this cable. Where's that go to? Oh, the speedometer, which is this.
Is it like a throttle? That's the throttle.
Oh.
It comes up to here.
That's the gas pedal. Well, I'll be. There's a little car pin in it. You know? Let me see if I can push the gas and like change where that. Okay.
Let's see if I can do a little extra.
Now can I see it on this side a little bit better?
Now, what's the guy's name on first base?
Now, what is on second?
I'm not asking you who's on second.
Who is on first?
I don't know.
He's on third. We're not talking.
Wait a minute. Whoa.
Now, well, let's not
Whoa. How did I get on third base?
You mentioned his name.
I mentioned his name.
Yes.
I don't know anybody's name on the team.
You got your dimmer switched to your lights.
This must be clutch safety.
No such thing.
Right. I could stay. And then do the speedometer.
Could that's probably the brake light.
Oh yeah, that's it. Brake switch. Woo! Exhaust is not tight.
But it was wired on. Colt, did you catch this manifold wiring here?
No.
Come take a look at this, Caleb. So when bolts are not found to put the exhaust,
Yeah.
you baling wire it. That is genuine baling wired exhaust.
You know the e-brake's also hooked to the cab.
Yes, but it's all one piece.
Yeah, but it's hooked back here too.
Ah,
So.
but it didn't. But it, was it actually connected to the cable?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's much easier than this first. E-brake should be undone. Oh, I gotcha. You need me to get under?
I can't see it.
Here.
I don't know if that's the right size.
I gotta move these creatures home real quick. Yeah, let's see. Nope, Dad, sorry. I lied. Go.
Ready?
Yes.
Eyes clear.
I caught the washer.
Thank you.
There you go.
Got the boat.
I sprayed PB Blaster, but that was just wishful thinking. Yeah, we're gonna have to at least lift it up high.
I guess that doesn't come undone like I was thinking. Oh, you're hitting there. I was hitting on the casing.
I just want to see if it moves at all.
I didn't even mention a guy's name on third base.
Yes, you did.
All right, then who's playing third base?
Now this is stuck in gear.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to push that in.
She's seized.
Down far enough to make it turn.
I thought about that too.
What kind
We gotta grind
of
those.
bolts are those?
I don't know. You gotta. It's like a small flathead.
It's like a square.
Yeah.
There's another, whatever that is right here. The same thing's holding that steering plate on the bottom.
Oh. Oh yeah. It's almost like you put a screwdriver and twist it. So yeah, turn it that way. Other way. Almost there.
That's far as it goes.
Well, dang it. I thought that was... Is it? Yeah. We gotta undo it somewhere along this. Yeah. Nice. And then one more right here, I'm guessing?
I'm thinking.
Somewhere in there? Oh, it's right here. Alright. Almost got it. We got pretty far, I feel like, today. We got the bed off. We got the front clip off. The cab is actually loose. Oh, here's the socket. We still have, come over here, I'll show you. This steering box we gotta get undone. Get undone next, then the cab is free to fly. Oh, you got a little bit of dust on you.
Yeah.
Next time, cab comes off. We'll get the old frame rolled out. And the last thing that's attached to the frame are these running boards. So we'll have to struggle with them for a little bit next time. But
At least they'll be clear. Everything will be off. It'll be easier to get to.
right. Things are progressing. It's coming apart. It came apart a lot easier than I thought, minus the bed. But not bad.
Was the bed pretty gnarly?
The bed was pretty gnarly. Yeah, coming off.
We had to grind majority of the bolts off.
Yeah, had to grind a good chunk of them off, but we'll keep working at it. Thanks for watching.
There is a record button on the thingamajig. That's actually cool. Okay.